Kristy's mink coat transformed into a throw, a pillow, and a pair of earmuffs. I absolutely loved working on this project. The fur was in excellent condition. Hi, my next project is going to be this absolutely beautiful mink coat. It is in such wonderful condition. This is going to be great to work with. The customer requested to keep her lining, and the lining is just beautiful. It's absolutely gorgeous. It's just lovely. So we're going to be making a throw out of this, and if we have any leftovers, maybe a couple of pillows. So let's get started. So here we are removing the lining from the coat, being extra careful because we're going to be using this in the final project. The cuffs will come off, the sleeves will be opened up, and once both arms are removed, I then will move on to the collar area. Here I'm taking the collar off. And when that's all done, I'm going to lay the whole thing out and see what I have to work with. Here it's all laid out. It's what the front looks like. All the pieces put together. And now I can work on pieces that are going to go on the border. Again, sorry about the washing machine noise, but here I'm putting the pieces of fur together and I'm using the fur machine. And what I'm going to do is I am going to space out where I'm going to make several small stitches, and I'm going to stitch, pull away from the machine, then move down. Because if I go across the whole fur through the whole seam, what's going to happen is there's going to be a lot of shifting. Here I am just finishing up the bottom of the seam, and when that is complete, now because I have all those tiny little stitches along the seam line, I can then sew all the way across the seam without worrying about shifting. Once all the seams are completed, I use a roller to flatten out the seam because we don't want any bumps. This is the top and the back, what it looks like once it's all been seamed together. From here I wet it down, stretch it out, and it's stapled to the table. And now I can work on the borders. Once everything is dried, I can put it all together, add the white backing, and here it's completed. The backing is then sewn onto the fur, and it measured 55 by 47 inches. The pillow. I took all the small scraps, arranged them so they would look beautiful together, sewed them together, and here is the final product. the earmuff. With the leftover small pieces, I was able to put them all together and make this lovely pair of earmuffs. Come visit us at dinahsquilts.com.